We're going to take a deep dive, not just to what's going on here in Baldwin County, but across the Gulf Coast, Gulf front versus bayfront, condos versus houses versus non-waterfront. Angelo DePaola, the coastal connection with eXp Realty. Anything fully north, what we would call a traditional market, prices were actually up 2.5%. Days on market were up almost 9%, and total transactions were down 8%. I think that's pretty strong considering what the interest rates are. And then in the island resort-based market, prices were down 3.5%. Day market up 12%. Here's the big thing. Here's what stuck out to me was there's 142 transactions in March for Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. That's down almost 26% per transaction. That really got me thinking, where's that getting eaten up at? Is that Gulf Shores? Is that Orange Beach? What market segment is that houses? Is that condos? Total transactions for Dolphin Island, Gulf Shores, and Orange Beach. Dolphin Island was down 39.13% in total transactions. Gulf Shores was down only 18.3% total transactions, and Orange Beach was down just a little over 30% in total transactions. Average sales price on Dolphin Island was actually up 3%. Average sales price in Gulf Shores down a little over 6%. Average sales price in Orange Beach down almost 7%. Perdido Key total transactions down 21%. Pensacola Beach down a little over 58% in total transactions. Destin down 37% in total transactions. 30A down almost 26%. Panama City down almost 39% in transactions. Average sales prices, Perdido Key up almost 13%. Pensacola Beach up a little over 30%. Destin up almost 32%, 30A down 17%, Panama City down almost 5%. What's kind of interesting, especially about average sales price, Perdido Key and Pensacola Beach, I mean, we might have a lack of inventory, and that might be why we see, especially in Pensacola Beach, total transactions are down almost 60%. And I'm going to kind of swing back to the markets I really focus on and where most of our business is. And we compared first quarter 2023 against first quarter 2024. And for Baldwin County as a whole, total transaction count down 2.32%. Average sales price down almost 7%. Total sales volume down almost 12%. Let's just kind of go through product category. I'm going to try to make this quick. Orange Beach Gulf Front condos, total transactions down a little over 17%. Orange Beach Bayfront condo, total transaction down almost 30%. Orange Beach non-waterfront down 27%. Orange Beach waterfront homes, I mean, this is a big one here, down 53% number of transactions for first quarter. Non-waterfront homes in Orange Beach, even. Gulf Shores Gulf Front condos down 28.92%. Gulf Shores Bayfront condos up 13.6%. Look, there's not a lot of non-Gulf Front condos in Gulf Shores. You have a little bit on Little Lagoon. Gulf Shores non-waterfront condos down 15%, almost 16%. Gulf Shores waterfront homes actually up a little over 11%. Gulf Shores non-waterfront homes down just a little under 3%. Average sales prices for Baldwin County down almost 7%. Gulf front condos in Orange Beach, I mean, they're actually up 0.47%, which is the total opposite of what I thought was going to happen. I thought that Gulf front condos with higher interest rates, higher insurance costs, I think some squeezing in the property management side, not as much traffic there, and more product on the market. I thought that would be down. Prices are actually up over there. Orange Beach Bayfront condos up 23% in price. Non-waterfront homes up almost 5% in price. Orange Beach waterfront homes down almost 19% in price. Look, I want to address this a little bit because these numbers, they're pretty big. As I went back and looked, and to see what first quarter 2024 looked like versus 2023, and what I found was we had 5 houses of higher price points that were new construction that were contracted previously and then just happened to close in first quarter 2023. The other thing that really stuck out to me were the amount of what I would call Gulf front or big open waterfront homes that sold in 2023 versus 2024. In 2024, we had a lot of houses that were on canals get bought up, and they were in that 1.3 to 1.2, maybe 1.4. You know, we can kind of explain a little bit of that away. Now, still a lot less transactions, but you got to remember, developer inventory that was closing, and there were more open water homes, so prices get compressed. Average sales price for non-waterfront homes in Gulf Orange Beach actually down almost 10%. So we have a lot of people moving here. I think it's still a great opportunity to buy here. Gulf Shores, Gulf Front condo sales prices down almost 6%. Bayfront condos down 2.5%. Gulf Shores non-waterfront condos down 22.5%. Gulf Shores waterfront homes average sales price 8.37%. Look, there's a lot of houses in Fort Morgan and West Beach that are selling. They are high dollar houses. They do really good on the rental market, and they're trading really well right now. Gulf Shores non-waterfront homes down 6%. I think prices are still way up over what they were pre-COVID. We have locked in a lot of price gains. I think if you're looking to sell, if you have something completely remodeled, they are demanding high price points, and we're seeing that. We're going to see a lot of that close come second quarter 2024. I can't wait to show you guys those numbers. I also think if you're a buyer, I mean, this is what I've come to conclude. If you're going to buy or build, and you're waiting for prices to come down or interest rates to come down, the question you got to ask yourself, can I afford this now? And do I feel comfortable doing it? If interest rates go down, you can refinance, but as long as you feel comfortable and you can afford doing it, why not do it? It's impossible to time the market. If you want to do it, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you through the buying process. If you're looking to sell, we have a great marketing staff. We are really good at pricing out property. We've been doing this for over 10 years, and we'd be happy to help you out. Reach out to us, DM us. There's all kinds of ways you can get us. Google us. We'll catch you next week. Angelo DePaola out.